$500. If this is your budget to build the best PC in 2023, then this video is for you. In this video, I will show the best PC components that you should consider buying for your next PC build. Let's get started. Now for the processor, I've chosen the AMD Ryzen 7 5700G. This one costs around $178, and this processor have an insane level of 8 core and 16 threads, which will give you an excellent performance in video editing, and also it has 4.6 GHz boost clock speed, which will give you excellent performance in gaming. Then for the motherboard, I've chosen the MSI B550. This one costs around $119. Now with that price, you will get everything that you need, and as this is a B550 series motherboard, you can overclock this processor as well, so it's an excellent deal. Then for the RAM, I've chosen the Team Group T-Force DDR4 16GB. This one costs around $49. Those RAMs are one of the most cheapest DDR4 RGB RAM on the market, and not only that, those RAMs comes with lifetime warranty, so it's an excellent deal. Then for the SSD, I've chosen the Crucial P3 1TB. This one costs around $59. Now can you imagine, you are going to get an 1TB SSD which comes with up to 3500 Mbps read speed and will cost only $59, so it's an excellent deal. Then for the power supply, I've chosen the Ares Game 550W power supply. This one costs around only $46. Now this is an 80+ bronze certified power supply, which is more than enough to handle this 5700G, and also you can install an external graphics card in future if you need, as this is a B550W power supply. Then for the casing, we are using the Vetro MO3. This one costs around $69. Now as I always say, casing is completely up to you, by whichever you like. This casing has a very unique look and design. You will get a mesh rod, a side tempered glass, and an exhaust fan in the back, so overall an excellent case. Now all those components will cost you around $524. Thanks for watching.